Illinois.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, this is our last day here. We got here last Thursday.
Oh, nice. Have fun?
We love Disney. Love, love, love it.
Do you always get your henna done in Epcot?
Yeah, I've gotten it several times, and but I've never actually recorded it, so.
Oh, that's cool.
I actually bought some of the tubes of the henna so I could do it at home too.
Oh, did you?
I did. I'm not very good at it, but
It's all practice.
sure.
Practice and repetition. The more you put your mind to it, eventually you'll just be like, wow. I can assure you I wasn't great when I started. Big old mess.
I just love henna.
It's fading to gray. I feel
Now I don't remember about how long this is going to last.
Anywhere between about 7 to 10 days.
Okay.
Longer, the less you exfoliate. So your towel dry and just pat it versus rubbing, it'll last a little bit longer.
Okay.
And if you're doing any pools, which you're probably not now, you're leaving.
Yeah, we was talking about it tonight,
If you
but
use a pool, it's a little bit chapstick over the top or Vaseline off before. If you have any of those, just straight over the top, just to put a little barrier so the chlorine doesn't,
okay.
fade it.
I never even thought about that.
Hot tubs will fade it too, but that's fluoridated. Regular showers are fine. Any hidden Mickeys in your design?
Sure, that would be awesome.
Here they go. It's cute.
inside me changes over and over again. Can't wait, knowing that our love is wasted. Yeah, wasted. We're running blind and we don't know why. Was it really what we had in mind? We're running wild, only losing time. Yeah, we're left here without love. We're out of time, and time don't wait. We're in heaven, but we lost our way. We're out of time, again and again. Thought we'd make it, but we lost in the end. Yeah, lost in the end. Out of time again. Yeah, we lost in the end. I know living in a line easy. I don't want it no more. I know one of us is going crazy if we don't let it go.
Would you like some glitter for pictures?
Yes, I would love that.
This is not it. I keep saying this. You got the glitter? No, you don't know how you. But I know the other bottle. The blood one. No, I don't know. One of them wasn't squirty green. So it was that one. Oh, there you go.
Awesome.
Hiding that one.
Look at that.
Cool.
That is so awesome. Thank you so much. And about how long before it dries?
We got about 20 minutes for a partial dry, 30-35 minutes for it to be. You'll notice it'll get super crunchy flat, really, really dark, and it'll start to crack. You'll be able to see that it's dry when it's ready.
All right, I want to try
If you
to.
go like this, you shouldn't be able to see it. No raised, you know?
All right, so I need to try to keep my hand and arm fairly straight for about
At
that.
least 20 minutes for the first bit, yeah. Then after that, as long as you're not really touching it, bumping into it, it should be alright.
All right, thank you so much. That's so nice. Now we'll go find Gary. Thank you. And there it is.
Like it. Nice. I think it's so cool.
Love it.